Do you know how to put on your wig? I'm going to show you. Okay, first of all, before I put this wig on, I'm going to tell you I have on a wig cap and a wig grip. This is just my personal preference. You don't have to have that. A lot of people just wear a wig grip. Some days I just wear a wig grip. Some days I wear both. It depends. But you don't have to wear either, or you can wear both. Whatever is the most comfortable for you, and you will just find that out along your wig journey. You know, I've been wearing wigs a long time now. If you don't know, and you don't know me yet, hi, my name's Eileen, and I am a breast cancer survivor, and I had terrible hair before I started wearing wigs, and then when I lost it all to chemo, I never went back to my bio hair except for just like what you see. I keep it super, super short, buzz short. I love it that way. I still wear it that way out on occasion, but I never went back to just wearing my bio hair. I had already fallen in love with wigs, and now I can't imagine them not being a daily part of my life. But I have to remember there are a lot of people who are new to this journey, and just we need to get back to the basics sometime and just show you the very simple things, how to get started wearing your wig. Now this is Raquel Welch Upstage. Always makes my top 10. One of my very favorite wigs. It is hand-tied, partially hand-tied. As you will see, this is covered wefting here. Hand-tied cap. Beautiful hand-tied. Look in the front of this. So you can part this anywhere within this area. So natural, just absolutely gorgeous. Felt ear tabs, they have stays. Extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Just a beautiful, beautiful cap construction. Okay, easy to do. Now, I want to show you this shaded biscuit. I love shaded biscuit. Okay, when you get a wig and you're new to this, it is awkward in the beginning, but just like everything else, once you do it a few times, it's second nature, right? So take your wig, hold it. I hold mine on these adjusters on either side of the tags. I hold it, so it's like that. The lace front facing down. Tag's gonna be in the back, and you're gonna pull this down over your occipital bone, right? So I hold it like that, and then you just dive in. So this needs to be flat. That's your lace front that's gonna go here. Just dive in. Pull it all the way down in the back over your occipital bone. Now, keep in mind, this is a lace front, and you want to be really careful with your lace fronts, right? They will stretch, they will tear. You have to be super careful. So adjust your wig with your ear tabs, just like this. You can pull it up, you can pull it back. Make sure your lace front is flat. Now, the rule of thumb, they say, is 4 inches from the brow. That works on some people. It doesn't work on all people. Some people have a shorter forehead. I have a 5 head. I have a big forehead. But you will soon feel exactly where it should go. It should be covering your hairline, but not too far down. Look, you don't want it like this, right? That's way too far down. Adjust it right under your hairline. Make sure these ear tabs are straight. You want it going straight across. You don't want it crooked. Make sure that's straight. Make sure your ear tabs, you see they have those stays. Make sure they're turned in towards your head. You don't want them sticking out. You want them flush against your head. Now here's my bio hair there and there. You can see it a little bit. If that bothers you, it doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, you can cover that up with some shading. They make all kinds of shading powders for hair that you can use. This is heat-friendly fibers. Always use a wide tooth comb to brush through it. And it is sitting down on my nape, under my occipital bone, all the way down. I have my lace. I have my ear tabs. Everything feels good. You will, like I said, before long, this is second nature. You can put it on in a matter of seconds. This is such a beautiful style. Let me show it to you. Like I said, be sure to use your wide tooth comb. And there you go. You are out the door.